Today we're going to venture into the world of magnetic fans with Seasonic. Not only does it save on cables, it also makes it easy to attach them together as well. For example, look at this here. We've got two fans which are on here, and you can easily attach a third even when these are already on, just by pushing it to the side and bang, it's on. Simple as that. And then you can detach as well, and there you go. The MagFlow 120mm fan is an innovation in PC cooling, featuring a magnetic connection system for quick and easy installation. With a daisy chain design, the fans interlock magnetically, eliminating excess wires and ensuring neat cable management. Customers can opt for a single fan or a free fan kit, ensuring optimum cooling efficiency. Notable features include fluid dynamic bearing for rotation stability and low vibration. The fan boasts an effective pressure field generation, larger volume air output, and a long life expectancy with a 3-year warranty. The first thing that catches your eye is the sleek packaging. It clearly indicates that it is a fan, but the real star of the show here is the magnetic connection system, which is a bit hard to know until you read the fine print. The back of the box is multilingual and lists some features and specifications. Surprisingly, there's a hidden door on the front of the box that reveals more information, but it's taped shut, so until you open the packaging, you actually don't know it's there, and we only discovered it after opening the box. Inside you'll find a manual and 3 separate plastic one-use boxes, each containing a 120mm fan, a 200mm power cable and a 450mm PWM extension cable and 4 case-style screws. One of these boxes also includes a 450mm fan-to-fan cable for added convenience. Now let's take a closer look at the fan itself. It has a distinctive design with a focus on performance rather than flashy RGB lighting. The fan is mainly grey and black, giving it an industrial feel with a blue ring on the inside of the fan frame and the brand also in blue. The centre of the fan has a metallic appearance with a white logo this time. However, it's worth noting that the logo intentionally sits off centre, which can create an illusion of wobbling when the fan spins slowly. The corners of the fan are rubberized, designed to minimise vibration when the fan is securely installed in your PC. It's worth mentioning that the corners are fully filled, unlike some fans that have an opening in between so you can attach to certain coolers like the popular Arctic Freezer 34. This design makes it more ideal for water cooler radiators or case fans. On the side you'll find the MagFlow logo. Keep in mind that if you need to position the fan upside down due to your PC's airflow setup, the logo will also be upside down. One of the standout features of the MagFlow fan is the magnetic connection system. Connecting these fans is incredibly easy. Just line them up and the magnets do the rest. This allows you to power multiple fans with just one cable, simplifying cable management and reducing the needs for additional hardware like fan hubs, and you can connect up to 6 together in one daisy chain. When it comes to build quality, the MagFlow fan feels solid and substantial, reminiscent of high-quality power supplies from Seasonic. There's no skimping on cheap plastics here. The fan blades are sturdy and not flexible, but be cautious, they can feel sharp when running at high speeds. In terms of noise levels, the MagFlow fan lives up to expectations. Individually, they are rated at around 34 decibels. However, we ran all 3 fans at maximum speed and we recorded close to 42 decibels. This was measured outside of a case. We also tested them at 600 RPM and we found they were basically whisper quiet, not noticing any difference on our decibel reader. Now let's talk about airflow. As you can see from the video, these fans deliver robust airflow at all speeds. At full speed they are rated at 63 cubic feet a minute each. So when you have 3 of them running together, you'll get nearly 190 cubic feet a minute. That's impressive for a 120mm fan. In conclusion, the MagFlow 120mm fan is a game changer in PC cooling. The only wish I have is that they did a 140mm version as well as possibly RGB variations as well. With its magnetic connection system, solid build quality and excellent airflow, it's a worthy addition to any PC setup. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a beginner, the MagFlow fan offers a hassle-free cooling solution. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.